Let's look at question 5.522. For what values of x in the interval 0 to 360 degrees is this whole expression undefined? And then check the marks. It's just 2 marks. So it means we don't have to do a lot of things here, right? Remember from the number system, remember that division by 0 is undefined. So don't worry about a lot of things, just concentrate on the denominator. For this whole expression to be undefined, it means that 1 plus sine x should be equal to 0. That's when this whole expression is going to be undefined if the denominator is equal to 0, right? So we have a trigonometric equation here. And then, so sine x is equal to -1. And then let's ask sine x is equal to what? We want to get our reference angle. X is equal to -90 degrees. This is our reference angle. And then using the general solutions, remember, so it's going to be x, our reference angle, which is -90 degrees. This is for sine x. So it's going to be -90 degrees plus 360 times k, where k is an integer. Or we can have x is equal to 180 degrees minus -90 degrees, and then plus 360 times k, where k is an integer. But we want this basically between 0 and 360. What is the angle here between 0 and 360? So what you can do here, if k is 0, you can even do this without using a calculator, because k can be an integer, can be -1, -2, 0, 1, 2, 3, -5, anything. Let's put 0 for where there's k. If you put 0 here, we're going to get what? If you put 0 here, 3/6 times 0 is 0, so we remain with -90. So x is equal to -90 degrees. We don't want that because it's not in this domain. And then if we put 0 here, it's going to be 180 minus -90, which is 180 plus 90. So x is equal to 270 degrees. We want this because it is in this domain. And then if k is 1, for example, if k is 1, it's going to be 360 minus 90, which is still 270 degrees. And then here is going to be 360 plus 270 is going to be out of this domain. So we leave it. If k is -1, this one is going to be out of the domain. This one also is going to be out of the domain. So if you check, you can use your calculator to check this. So x is going to be 270 degrees.